Good morning. Just an update here in Fairbanks, Alaska for the snowstorm that started yesterday. And this is how much snow we have. And some of the trees are bending down. Look at that because of the heavy snow on top of it. Also in the top of our house right here, there's a lot of snow. And our poor trampoline right here are covered with trampoline too. Hopefully they're still good. Yeah, all the small trees are bending down because of the heavy snow in there. And the road are not plowed because there's a lot of trees that fall. So we can access the road for now. So it's been 2 days now. There's no school for the road fixing, and lines of the power too are out, so they're pretty busy today, the power fixer. And oh my god, look at that, it's a bit windy today. So that's the update of the snowstorm that's hits for 2 days now. I just plowed and look at that. I just shoveled and now the ports start to get covered with snow again.
Stop it, John.
More snow.